Thank you, Mr. Bear, but I don't care. All I want is a cold beer and to see a whale. Good and Cove on Vancouver Island, beach camping and styling, complete with a killer waterfall. Flowers in the mix, way out in the Hicks, but all I want is to have a beer and see a whale. This could be a new beer, but as I said, I don't care. Can't you just hook me up with a whale? Side Bay's a beauty, comes with cool rock, but not a single stinking whale. Not even a whale tail. I would not recommend. So long come the elk, you might be surprised to know that I don't care, I'm just looking for a whale. Drove down to Zabalos, thought maybe they have whales. Cute town, but not a single whale. An eagle does not make up for a lack of whales. Maybe we try Naka Beach on the other coast. One would think they might have whales. Cute deer, don't count as whales. Don't get me started. So what now? Do I need to fly my drone and look for cows? Can someone please serve me a whale with a cold beer, please? I'm at the point where I'll look in caves for whales.